9 climbers have died in Nepal after a violent snowstorm destroyed their camp on a Himalayan peak. Record-breaking Korean climber Kim Chang-ho is among them. Rachel Stanton has more.
This is the moment that rescuers in Nepal retrieve the bodies of 9 climbers killed on Nepal's Mount Gurja. They are trying to piece together what led to this accident. The expedition set off on the 7th of October. Organisers raised the alarm after losing contact with the group for 24 hours.
There
were 4 Nepalese and 5 Koreans. In all there were 9 people. This is the latest so far.
It took a helicopter several trips to bring the bodies down from the camp. They were then taken to a hospital in Kathmandu. Families can be seen waiting outside. Nepal is home to 8 of the world's 14 highest mountains, including Mount Everest, and the autumn climbing season is now at its peak. Income from foreign climbers is a major source of revenue for the country. The accident is believed to have happened late Thursday or Friday, but there are no surviving witnesses. Rachel Stanton, BBC News.